alarm clock, much to the dismay of the neighbors around here. It can be heard up to 2 miles away.
Yeah.
And under these white tents to our right is an outdoor preschool conducted during the week here at the zoo. One of only a handful of outdoor preschools conducted on the property of a zoo anywhere in the United States. This would be the only one in the state of California. And although we no longer have elephants here in our zoo, we do have a replica of 2 of them here on our left. That would be Happy and his son Sweet Pea. These 2 are returning to the zoo after a day of surfing over at East Beach, and the reason I know that is because they still have their trunks on.
Oh boy. They got the trunk.
Way back in 1947, a generous woman named Lillian Child donated this beautiful 30-acre parcel to the Santa Barbara Foundation, and they in turn opened up the first zoo on this site in 1963. And it was then called the Child's Estate, and it was more or less a petting zoo with 2 dozen animals. It's evolved into one of California's finest small zoos with up to 500 animals and 200 different species for you to enjoy today. Capybara. She's considered to be the largest rodent on the planet Earth. Plus we have 2 anteaters in here. You know why our anteaters never get sick? It's because they're full of antibodies. Santa Barbara Zoo, we'd like to thank you for riding with us. Hope you come back and visit with us again soon. And have a super remainder of the day.